Please sit.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please sit.
That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's start the interview. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Krishna. I live in Rahul Nagar, Amravati. I am I am doing class 12th from Shri Shivaji Multipurpose Higher Secondary School and Junior College. My father is a worker at Dharamkata. My mother is a tailor. I have one brother. I like to swim. My hobby is to play football with my brother, and I also like to play cricket. This is all about myself. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Who is your favorite football player?
I like Cristiano.
And do you play football?
Yes, only with my brother.
Only with your brother.
Yes.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and also history.
Why?
I like English because I can discover new words in English moreover and more. And in history, I can know about my ancestors and how humans evolved, and also about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, peoples like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, because that's why I like history and English.
What are your strengths?
My strength is that I like to learn new things, and also I am a fast learner. I can swim properly. Just that's it. And also I can perform well in group tasks. Yes.
Why do you want this job?
Because I want to know about your facilities and also the uh, proper things here work.
Krishna, you are so hardworking person.
Yes.
How do you handle pressure?
Sir, I handle my pressure. That kind of pressure is only one kind of pressure I have at this moment is study, and have prepared a timetable. But whenever the timetable doesn't work, I give myself tasks. Today, I have to complete this chapter from this subject, and I have to complete 30 words from English. Like this, I give myself tasks and I have to complete them till midnight. Like this, I handle my stress over studies.
Okay, working with other people, do you like to be a team maker?
Yes, sir. I like to be a team maker.
Okay, so what is your biggest achievement?
My biggest achievement is till now. My biggest achievement are two. I have learned swimming, and also I have got 89% marks in class 10th, in which I got 88% in English and 94 in Sanskrit.
So in swimming, which style your favorite? Like
As I said, I have only joined swimming for 8 to 10 days, but still I have got a favorite style which is freestyle, and I like that style because that is quite easy. That's why I like that style.
Your hobby is swimming.
Yes, sir, my hobby is swimming and playing with my brother.
Do you know the favorite person in swimming?
No, sir, I don't know.
Do you participate in competitions of swimming?
No, I have joined swimming for basic task or basic knowledge, basic survival skill. That's why I joined swimming, and also for fun I have joined swimming.
so which class did you join for swimming?
I have joined in 11th.
Uh, Yeah,
At which place?
at which place, like which institute?
Acha. I have joined in Takshashila. It is placed in Yashodhara Nagar.
So where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
I can see myself in a officer, lieutenant post,
Why should any company hires you?
because I can learn quickly, and also I adjust myself to uh, quality of other people's.
Krishna, I would like to ask what motivates you?
Um, Something motivates me, which is a small encouragement through my parents, and also the thing that is when I solve mock tests of NDA, whenever I score more in that test, I feel like doing more and more. I feel like I need to do more better and more nice. This is motivation, and also whenever I talk to my parents, I feel motivated. So
What is your biggest fear?
there is not any particular biggest fear, but there is a fear that I will drown in water. That was my biggest fear till now, but that is solved by when I started swimming.
Who is your inspiration to become a army personnel to join NTA?
My inspiration is not particular. I just want to serve my nation.
What is your education qualification?
I am 10th performer, and currently I am in 12th.
Krishna, how are you different from others?
Sir, I can perform well behaved in group tasks, and also I can talk freely, and I can express my thoughts to others freely, and I can talk confidently. I can speak fluently. These are qualities that I possess, sir.
So that you tell you speak fluently. So what will you do to improve your communication skill?
Sir, at this particular stage, I am reading a lot of books in which about communication skills are shown. Kiran sir gave me some books about communication skills, and I am reading them currently.
So what do you know about Oxford classes, Amravati?
Sir, I didn't know any particular thing, but my some friends of mine suggested me about Oxford Spoken English course, and this about this institute, and I joined this institute.
Do you like to play cricket?
No,
Tell me, how do you deal with your failure?
I deal with my failure by talking to my parents and working hard on those failures. I overcome those failures by working hard. Like this, I overcome the failures.
So which is your first step?
About what, sir?
Like you have any failure. So which is your first step? Like
The first step was I talked to my parents, and after some chit chat, I start to make plans for those failure by which mistake of mine that failure came, and throughout that process I overcame that failure.
Krishna, can you work under pressure,
Yes, sir, I can work under pressure.
under supervision?
Yes.
How?
S- Sir, once my friend, when I first went for swimming pool, my friends pushed me into water. The water was 8 feet 8 feet deep. Before going to swimming pool, I watched a few videos about techniques and other things. So when they gave me, they pushed me into water. I didn't panic, but I stayed calm, focused, and I did some things in water and came out of water and uh, caught the railing and came up. This was an example of my overcomings.
Do you have any question for us?
No, sir.
Thank you for your time.
Welcome, sir.